Want to remove watermarks from your videos for free? In this video, I'll show you 3 amazing tools that can do it in just a few clicks. These tools are completely free and some don't even require a login or sign up. Just upload your video, mark the watermark, remove it and download the video for free. It's that simple. So let's get started. The first one is Unwatermark. This is a completely free tool and you don't need any login or sign up. You can use it for free for unlimited videos and the output quality is also very good. To use it, go to unwatermark.ai, click on video remover from the given options. Now let's upload the video. Click upload video, select the video and click open. Now you'll see a rectangle over the video. Click on it and place it on the watermark. Drag the corners and resize the rectangle according to the watermark. You can click on eraser to erase the extra part and paint a tail using the brush. Once you are done with the painting, click remove now and wait for some time. Our video is ready. As you can see, the watermark has been removed. You can download the video by clicking here. Next is 123 apps. This one is also a completely free tool. You can use it without logging in. The only thing is that for free, it allows you to download videos up to 720p, but you can use it for unlimited videos. Go to 123apps.com. Now from the video tools, click on remove logo from video. Click on open file and upload the video. From the menu, click on remove logo. Now click and drag to create a rectangle over the logo on your video. Scribble on the timeline and check if the logo is gone. Now click apply and it's done. As you can see, the logo has been removed from the video. Now click on save, select 720p for quality and click export. Now click save and this will download the video to your PC. Next is Any Eraser. This provides you with some free credits to use. Go to anyeraser.pedia.io, click on login and log in using your Google account. Click on tools at the top and then click on view all to see all the available tools. Scroll until you find the video watermark remover and click on it. From the left side menu, choose video object remover. Now let's upload the video. Click upload here, select the video and click open. Now we need to paint over the watermark using the brush tool. Keep the brush size according to the watermark. Now paint over the watermark using the brush. You can erase the paint by clicking on deselect and paint again using the select tool. Once you are done painting, click remove objects now. Wait for some time and the video is ready. You can download it for free by clicking here. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next one.